Welcome to Hongdae, the vibrant heart of Seoul's youth culture, where the city truly comes alive after dark. If you're wondering what to do when the sun goes down, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 10 unforgettable experiences that make Hongdae the ultimate nightlife destination. So grab your friends and let's explore the electric energy of Seoul at night. First up, you can't talk about Hongdae without mentioning its legendary busking scene. Head over to the Hongdae Walkable Street, also known as Hongdae Walking Street, and you'll find yourself in an open-air theater of talent. From mesmerizing dancers moving in perfect sync to soulful singers with guitars, the raw energy here is absolutely infectious. The crowds gather, phones are up, and for a moment, everyone is connected by the performance. It's completely free to watch, and it's the perfect way to kick off your night, soaking in the creative spirit that defines this neighborhood. You might just discover the next K-pop superstar right here on these streets, ready to be the star of your own show? It's time for Nori Bang, Korea's version of karaoke, but on a whole other level. Forget singing in front of strangers at a bar. Here, you get your own private room, complete with flashy disco lights, tambourines, and a massive songbook with everything from the latest K-pop hits to classic rock anthems. You can rent a room by the hour, order some snacks and drinks, and just belt out your favorite tunes with your friends. It's a quintessential Korean experience and an amazing way to let loose. Whether you're a great singer or just love to have fun, a night at the Nori Bang is guaranteed to be filled with laughter and unforgettable moments. As the night gets later, the beat gets louder. Hongdae is famous for its incredible clubbing scene, offering something for every musical taste. Are you into hip-hop? There's a club for that. Prefer EDM, house, or techno? You're covered. Clubs like NB2, Cocoon, and Aura are institutions here, each with its own unique vibe. The energy is insane, with world-class DJs spinning tracks that keep the dance floor packed until the early morning hours. Dress to impress, grab your ID, and get ready to dance the night away. It is the best way to experience the high-octane side of Seoul's nightlife and meet people from all over the world. All that excitement is bound to make you hungry, which brings us to our next stop, a street food crawl. Hongdae streets are a paradise for foodies, especially at night. The air is filled with the sizzling sounds and delicious smells of countless food stalls. You have to try the classic tteokbokki, spicy rice cakes in a rich gochujang sauce. Or maybe some crispy and savory pajeon, a Korean-style pancake. For something sweet, you can't go wrong with hotteok, a sweet pancake filled with brown sugar, honey, and nuts. And of course, there's odeng, fish cake skewers in a warm, comforting broth. Just follow your nose and let your taste buds lead the way on a culinary adventure. If you need a break from the high energy, why not relax in one of Hongdae's famous themed cafes? These aren't your average coffee shops. Here, you can find everything from cafes where you can pet adorable sheep or raccoons to ones decorated like a 2D cartoon, making you feel like you've stepped into a comic book. There are board game cafes, flower cafes, and even a Harry Potter themed cafe. Each one offers a unique atmosphere where you can chill, chat, and snap some amazing photos for your Instagram feed. Many of them are open late, making them the perfect spot to recharge before your next adventure. Think shopping is just a daytime activity? Think again. In Hongdae, the shops stay open late, turning the streets into a bustling night market. This is the place to find the latest Korean fashion trends, unique accessories, and quirky souvenirs. You'll find everything from independent boutiques to well-known Korean brands. The vibe is much more relaxed and cool at night, with fewer crowds and a more laid-back atmosphere. It's the perfect opportunity to hunt for bargains, find a one-of-a-kind outfit for your night out, or just enjoy some window shopping under the bright city lights. Feeling a bit competitive? Let's head to the arcade. Hongdae is packed with multi-story arcades, buzzing with neon lights and the sounds of victory. Challenge your friends to a dance-off on Pump It Up, test your skills at a classic fighting game, or try your luck at a claw machine to win a cute plushie. There are also shooting games, racing simulators, and so much more. It's a fun, nostalgic, and surprisingly affordable way to spend an hour or two. You'll feel like a kid again, and the friendly competition is sure to bring a ton of laughs. Next, it is time to capture those memories at one of the countless photo booths scattered all over Hongdae. These aren't your old-school passport photo booths. Korean photo booths, like the famous Life for Cuts, let you and your friends cram into a booth, choose from a huge selection of cute and funny props like headbands and silly glasses, and strike your best poses. You get a strip of high-quality photos to take home as a perfect souvenir of your night. It's a super popular activity among locals, and it's a fantastic way to create a lasting, fun memento of your time in Hongdae. Feeling thirsty? How about a cocktail in a bed? This is a unique Hongdae specialty you have to try. All around the neighborhood, you'll find small bars and stalls selling delicious cocktails served in convenient, sealed plastic bags with a straw. It's the perfect grab-and-go drink to enjoy while you walk around and soak up the atmosphere. They come in all sorts of flavors, from sweet and fruity to strong and classic. It's a simple, fun, and affordable way to enjoy a drink on the move as you hop from one spot to the next. Finally, when you need a peaceful escape from the bustling streets, take a stroll through the Gyeongui Line Forest Park. This beautiful park was built on old railway tracks and stretches through the neighborhood, offering a serene, green oasis in the middle of the city. At night, it's beautifully lit and you'll see locals walking their dogs, couples on dates, and groups of friends sitting on the grass, chatting and enjoying takeout food. It's a wonderful place to wind down your evening, enjoy the cool night air, and see a more tranquil side of Hongdae. It proves that a great night out doesn't always have to be loud and crazy. And there you have it, 10 amazing things to do for an unforgettable night in Hongdae. From live music and dancing to delicious food and peaceful walks, this neighborhood truly has it all. So next time you're in Seoul, make sure to spend an evening exploring the incredible energy of Hongdae. You won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel guides. See you in the next video.